your girl Britt, aka RockYourGlory. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys for watching and coming through for your girl. So today I am going to be doing my hair. It's going to be a twist out with a little bit of style. And yeah, so right now I got my deep conditioning cap on. So I'm deep conditioning. Now my threads is out to come back. So let's get into these products. The CurlDaze Ultra Moisture Cream, and I'm going to be using that. Hopefully it's enough because I'm on my last little bit of it. Then I'm going to be using the CurlDaze Glossy Shine Gel. And lastly, I'm going to be trying out and giving you guys my review on the Gentle Glide Detangling Brush. Right now I'm showing you guys my hair in its natural state. Now part of my sections is getting it ready and prepped for the product that I'm about to apply. So this is the product and I'm applying it to this section of my hair. Then I'm using the detangling brush and I'm brushing it and it's smoothing it all the way through, as you can see. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of the gel to that section as well, and I'm twisting it with a 2-strand twist. And you know I've been doing plenty of twist outs on this channel, y'all. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm gonna do some more styles, but twist outs are my favorite right now. So I'm just twisting it and I'm coiling it at the end. So you seeing me do another twist. I'm going to continue to repeat the same process, going through this twist by twist, and I'm coiling it at the end. Now I'm showing you guys my twist, and I'm showing you some more twists. Now I'm just showing you guys the product, the creamy ultra moisture cream, and I'm applying it to my hands and getting it ready to put inside my hair. In this section of my hair right here, okay. Your girl smoothing it through using my detangler brush. And then I'm going to do it and brush it, you know, and I'm brushing it through. What I can say about this brush is that it didn't take long for me to detangle my hair. And that's because before I wash my hair and all that stuff, I make sure I pre-poo and all that. But you have to make sure that your ends are good. And yeah, so you seeing me do the twist. And yeah, I'm just going to keep repeating the same process. Now you're seeing me twisting my hair and getting ready to show you guys me, boom, have the twist completed and putting on my CurlDaze Care bonnet. And yeah, now I'm about to go to sleep. So this is a couple days later of my hair completely dry out of the bonnet and showing you guys how I'm taking out my twist. And I'm just separating them easily as I can and taking my time so the curls can last. So when you do want your curls to last, make sure you don't separate too much. Make sure you separate easily and that it goes to the spot that's easily to separate at. That's the only thing I can say, is make sure you take your time with separating. This time I did a chunky twist out, so it took a lot longer to separate because they're bigger, so I had to make sure it was easier at certain parts versus a mini twist out or a medium sized twist out. So just make sure you guys take that tip. Take your time separating. You want your curls to last? Take your time separating. It was a couple frizzy spots in my hair, so I put a little bit of gel just to coil it a little bit to make the curls pop in certain areas of my hair. Now you're seeing me pick my hair for volume. Now I'm showing you guys my final look and giving you guys my commentary on how I feel about these products. Guys, I'm going to give you guys my commentary on these products and tell you how I feel about them on my shorter natural hair. The main character of the show is the brush though, okay? It's the brush though. How I feel about my twist out right now, it feels pretty good and it looks pretty good. I'm finally running low on the cream. I think I got one more hairstyle I can do with it, then I'm gonna have to get another one. And I got enough gel to last me like 2 to 3 more hairstyles, so that's a good thing. The brush is new, and honestly, how I feel about this brush is that I really like it. It's really cool. It wasn't hard to detangle with at all. This will be one of my go-to brushes when I want to detangle my hair. Like if I had to choose one of my brushes, this would be one of my go-tos. I don't have nothing negative to say about it. I like this brush better than the other brush they actually had out first. I actually like this brush better. Yeah, so guys, this brush is only $9.99. It's cheaper than most of the denim brushes and other brushes that are out here, so make sure you guys go ahead and purchase that. If you want to get 15% off of your purchase, make sure you use my discount code at RockYour15, and I promise you guys it will be worth your while. And yeah, with this twist out, I also used the curling cream as the main character and used a little bit of gel, because when I use too much gel combining with this product, it honestly flakes my hair. So I'm like, no, I'm not doing that. I try to use mostly this one and less of this one just for a little bit of hold. I didn't get really no flakes. I always get flakes at the front, so it's not the product for it. I don't know what I be doing this area. I don't know what I be doing wrong, but yeah, like my twist out is banging. Okay, I did a twist a little chunkier this time. I want a chunky twist out. I didn't want like a small twist out, and I made sure I took my time to separate it so the curls can last me a good 3 days, because I'm about to, you know what I'm saying, wear it for a week, you know, and of course I'm gonna retwist it. But yeah, girl, you know what I'm saying, I look kind of spicy, I look kind of fallish, you feel me? I look kind of autumnish, you know what I mean? I look pretty good. Your girl looks good. So guys, comment below, let me know if y'all like these products, if y'all try these products, what type of hairstyles you guys would like for me to do. Honestly, I'm a 3-strand twist out or twist out girl, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to do more styles. Lord's willing, Lord. I just don't be wanting to mess up my hair, you know what I'm saying? With my hair being short now, it gotta be popping, you know what I'm saying? Ain't no high puff. My hair can't fit no high puff no more right now, you feel me? That 1.5 inch, it took away the high puff or whatever. So yeah, girl, your hair gotta be popping, you feel me? So let me know how y'all feel about these products, how y'all feel about my hair. Do you think I have done better twist out, or you like this twist out? Let me know in the comment section. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys for watching and coming through for your girl. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other, and deuces.